Hi again, my name is Alan and I'm the Mind Alchemist. Today I wanted to talk to you about how to measure how open you are to receiving what you want to manifest. So, let's say I want a new car. I pull out my pendulum and using a chart I ask, am I 100% open to receiving a new car, to getting a new car? I'm getting a no. Am I 90, 80, 70, 60? I'm about 60% open to receiving it. So what do I do with that information? I say, could we increase my openness or could we change something about the way I'm thinking that will allow that new car to come in? And I'm getting a yes. So the final step is a really easy one. Please do it. Thank you. Thank you for opening me up to getting a new car, a brand new car, the kind of car that I'm proud of, the kind of car that's reliable, cost effective, and everything else that I do like in a car. And that's about it. My name's Alan. I'm the Mind Alchemist. This is still spinning, so it's going to take a little while. I guess I'm only 50% open or 40% open. But you could always check again now. How open am I? Am I more than 50%? Yes. More than 60? Yes. More than 70%? Yes. 80%? 90%? So I still have a bit of work to do on it. But anyways, enjoy the video and we'll see you on the next subject.